do, I'm going to make something. So the wheels are going to go close, so it would go to the fast mode, and you just put a blue button that says slow motion, so it will make you go slow when you want to. And another one that says fast will make the wheels go really fast and make fire so it will go fast. And we're going to put cement under the pillow, because that's where you're sitting, where the wheels are going to be, so it doesn't go through the pillow and burn you. So we're going to put this on to wax bad guys that are in my way, just in case, and then I'll ring my bell and then I'm done. Bye.
As in
Is that it?
a better, sharper picture.